We live in a world dominated by screens, smartphones, computers, televisions. They've become extensions of ourselves. We wake up to notifications, scroll through feeds during breakfast, and fall asleep to the glow of our devices. This constant connectivity, while offering convenience and connection, has a dark side. Like a siren's call, social media beckons us with promises of entertainment and belonging. We lose ourselves in a world of curated lives and fleeting moments of virtual validation. But at what cost? The truth is, our obsession with the digital world is quietly eroding our well-being and hindering our ability to thrive. Imagine a day where you're fully present in each moment, your focus unwavering, and your mind free from digital distractions. Imagine the clarity, the productivity, the sheer joy of experiencing life unfiltered. This is the power of unplugging. By breaking free from the digital chains that bind us, we unlock a world of possibilities. We reclaim our time, sharpen our focus, and rediscover the beauty of the present moment. The journey to a more fulfilling and successful life begins with a single step: disconnecting to reconnect. Our digital devices masquerade as tools of productivity while silently robbing us of time and focus. Minutes on social media snowball into hours of lost productivity. Notifications fragment our attention, hindering deep work. We become slaves to the ping, seeking the next digital hit. Digital distraction leaves us scattered and overwhelmed. Reading a book used to ignite our imaginations. Now, our reading is interrupted by the urge to check phones. Digital distraction erodes our focus and critical thinking. Reclaiming our attention means reclaiming our power. We regain control of our time, energy, and lives. The addictive nature of social media is not a matter of speculation. It's a scientifically proven phenomenon. Studies have shown that the use of social media triggers the release of dopamine, a neurochemical associated with pleasure and reward. This dopamine rush, while pleasurable in the short term, creates a cycle of craving and dependence. We become addicted to the feeling of connection, validation, and instant gratification that social media provides. This addiction manifests in a variety of ways, from anxiety and depression to insomnia and decreased cognitive function. Research has also revealed the detrimental effects of multitasking, a common consequence of excessive device use. Contrary to popular belief, our brains are not designed to effectively handle multiple tasks simultaneously. Instead, multitasking leads to decreased productivity, increased errors, and heightened stress levels. The evidence is clear. Our digital habits are rewiring our brains and impacting our well-being in profound ways. By understanding the science behind our digital dependence, we can begin to make conscious choices that promote our mental health and overall success. In a world consumed by the digital, the art of presence has become a forgotten treasure. We move through our days in a haze of distraction, our minds tethered to the virtual realm. This lack of presence comes at a steep cost. We miss out on simple joys and meaningful connections. Rediscovering presence is a journey of intentionality. Make conscious choices about where we direct our attention. Put down our phones, silence notifications, and engage fully in the present moment. Take a walk in nature, savor a meal without distractions, or simply sit in stillness and observe your surroundings. By cultivating presence, we invite peace, joy, and gratitude into our lives. Section 5. A practical guide to digital detoxification. Embracing a life less tethered to technology doesn't require a radical overhaul. Small, sustainable changes can make a world of difference. Start by identifying your digital triggers, those moments when you're most likely to reach for your phone out of habit or boredom. Once you've identified your triggers, you can begin to replace those habits with healthier alternatives. Instead of scrolling through social media first thing in the morning, Try starting your day with a few minutes of meditation or journaling. During your lunch break, step away from your desk and take a walk outside instead of browsing the internet. Create phone-free zones in your home, such as your bedroom or dining table. Establish screen time limits for yourself and stick to them. Turn off non-essential notifications and resist the urge to constantly check your phone. Remember, you are in control of your technology, not the other way around. Section 6. Cultivating mindfulness in a hyper-connected world. Mindfulness, the practice of paying attention to the present moment without judgment, is a powerful antidote to digital overwhelm. By cultivating mindfulness, we train our minds to become more aware of our thoughts and sensations. Meditation is one of the most effective ways to cultivate mindfulness. Even a few minutes of daily meditation can have a profound impact on your ability to focus and manage stress. Start with guided meditations, or simply focus on your breath. Mindfulness can be practiced throughout the day, not just during formal meditation sessions. By bringing mindfulness into our daily lives, we reclaim our attention from digital distractions. We become more present, grounded, and capable of experiencing the fullness of life. Section 7. The unexpected rewards of disconnection. The decision to unplug from the digital world may seem daunting at first, but the rewards are well worth the effort. As you begin to detach from your devices, you'll likely experience a sense of liberation and renewed energy. You'll rediscover the joy of deep focus, allowing you to tackle tasks with greater efficiency and creativity. Your relationships will deepen as you're more present and engaged in conversations. You'll experience a renewed sense of wonder and appreciation for the world around you. The benefits of unplugging extend beyond the personal realm. By reducing your reliance on technology, you're also contributing to a healthier planet. The production and use of electronic devices have significant environmental impacts, from carbon emissions to electronic waste. Choosing to disconnect, even for short periods, is a powerful act of self-care and environmental stewardship. It's a reminder that true success is not measured by likes, shares, or followers, but by the quality of our lives and the positive impact we have on the world. Section 8. Embrace the freedom of unplugging. The digital age has brought about incredible advancements, connecting us in ways unimaginable just a few decades ago. However, it's crucial to recognize that technology is a tool, and like any tool, it can be used for good or ill. The choice is ours. We can allow technology to control us, dictating our attention and shaping our experiences, or we can choose to use it intentionally, harnessing its power to enhance our lives without allowing it to dominate them. Unplugging is not about rejecting technology altogether. It's about reclaiming our power, our time, and our attention. It's about rediscovering the beauty of the present moment, the joy of human connection, and the limitless potential that lies within each of us. So I invite you to join me in embracing the freedom of unplugging. Disconnect to reconnect with yourself, your loved ones, and the world around you. You might be surprised by what you discover.